today we're gonna show you and give you tips on how to fix this error. PayPal, your PayPal account, it says add money to resolve your negative balance. And what causes this? There are a couple of things or reasons why you see this message. One of it, you owe someone. Maybe you sold somebody or something to somebody. Then once you sell, then what happens is like maybe your sale, maybe the item was not good or the item was not received. For instance, you sell an item online and then you send it to the address where you wanted to send it. Then the address you send it to, and in most cases in some countries they have problems with theft, like companies which are popular for theft is parcel what loss or whatever is what I know. One of the companies which even have evidence about they stole my parcels called Post Office. Post Office here in South Africa, everybody knows who have been using them. They have that problem. Maybe some employees steal from us, because also I have many couple what parcels which got lost and I never recovered them. One of the days I went there, they told me somebody came and took my parcel, which was a lie. I'm 100% sure, because it has been happening to a lot of people. So this could be the reason. Maybe you sent something, maybe in another country, and maybe the parcel was stolen and did not reach the destination. And then the person who purchased the parcel or the item then claims to PayPal that, look, you sold me, this person who sold me the parcel haven't found it. So what happens is they do what? They do talk about refund. So what PayPal does, they go and refund this person, then they put a negative onto your account, PayPal account. Once you put money on PayPal, so they're going to take it automatically so that they pay themselves. This guy, as a client, he has been paid long ago. He doesn't have any complaints anymore, but PayPal took money from their pockets to pay that guy. So they know that you're going to come back and pay this person. This is $201, which is quite a huge amount of money based on some currencies in different countries. So this person, if you don't pay this, just know your account is compromised. You get me? So this error comes normally based on that. There was some claims about you that you took money and you did not deliver some item to some people. So once you pay this, everything's gonna be fine. So, but if you don't pay that, then it's gonna be a problem. So I saw something. Let me get you something. I got a refund also from another company. So they use PayPal. So let me see something here. Okay, well, as we said, and I was trying to explain to you, I wanted to show you something. What PayPal did now to me, they paid me this money back. And why? Because I didn't get my parcel. So it happens also to you as a person. So these guys, what they did, they try their best to not mess up with their account. So even if the parcel is lost, so the guy who's selling the items, he compromises and gives you money back. So I was paid this $15 long ago, so that because I requested a refund from from eBay. Then what they did refund me. They say the amount has been refunded to your MasterCard. Then they give you the number. It may take a few days for it to appear on your statement. It takes longer. Please contact your card issuer directly. If it takes longer, please contact your card issuer directly. Okay, that's fine. Then they're gonna give you the total purchase amount, and also they give you the refund. They refund you 100%, and also they give you the invoice ID, and where they did refund it to. Okay, they give you also your local what currencies or that is being made into that. Yes, guys. So this is one of the emails they send you when you're being refunded. So now on here, on this account, as we said, this account holds this money and it will never ever be used unless if you pay. So now you owe PayPal. You don't owe the guy who you sold the product to, because PayPal, what they do, they pay before for on your behalf. So with the time you're gonna get money is the when they're gonna do what, they're gonna fix this account. So your account is working 100%. You can log in or whatever, but you cannot put any money. They're gonna suck it up until your account is in positive or 0 0. You understand? You see this message, go into your transactions where you sold, whom did you sell to or whatever, and maybe make investigations. Did you receive your parcel or whatever? Because it's 100% that this account is compromised if you don't pay that money. So I found this like was relevant for us to see and to do what to do a tutorial on this, because a lot of people find this what they call message and they don't understand where it came from. So there were some transactions you made which makes this to be a problem to you. So all these transactions all here, you made them before they're gonna be showing you, but also you must trace up whom did you do your last transactions, who did claim that money, what was the reason why they claimed that money. You can fix it, you can pay that money, but now you might find out that all the time this happened to you. Why? You have to find out why, because it could happen that the money you try to pay, you can pay it, but the problem is not what fixed. Why? You can find like wherever, maybe you're sending parcels to a different country or using a different what they call courier service, which is has a bad reputation of what stealing parcels. So you have to change, otherwise you're gonna be in losses all the time. You get me? So the best thing to do is to try to see how much, which we saw here. So after seeing how much and look into your clients, I know whom did I sell the items for this, or who bought the item for this much. So once you find that, then try to maybe email them and say, what happened? And they will tell you, no, I didn't get my parcel, or something like this happened, so that you know next time you don't ship with that courier service, or you don't sell to that country. There are some countries which are hit by the by those people who steal parcels. So whenever you send whenever you send what parcels to the country, you find that a person is going to tell you those countries, that country is not good for parcels. Why? Because they steal them. So what you have to do is you have to cancel that country, that you don't sell to that country, because you're going to keep on making losses. You get me? I don't know if this can happen whereby somebody can receive a parcel, also claim that he hasn't received it. I don't know that, but maybe also that could happen to you. You get me? So you have to look into many things to avoid this to happen again, because you in business, and you cannot lose out on PayPal. You know, PayPal is one of the best and one of the most popular and easy to use platform. So you don't have to get involved into a bad name with them. You get me? So you must make sure that everything is proper, and you still have to work with them, because if you don't work with them, it simply means it will be difficult for you to make money online. You get me? So each and every country, they know PayPal. So I don't think there are many competitors which can do what, which can maybe which can be more powerful than PayPal. You get me? And I believe all platforms, they also practice this culture that if the client did not get what he wants, so it will be difficult for them to pay you. So they want the client who bought something to get it, so that also you get paid. So if you get paid before that, and then you get into a thing whereby you done what you did not the client didn't get the item, they're gonna pay the client, but you're gonna be owing them. You get me? So guys, to fix this error, you must put money on your account. That's all. But it doesn't end there. You must go and investigate whom did you sell to on that kind of money. Then you see if next time it's worth it to go to that country again, or that using that courier again. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.